Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're home, studying, or relaxing, thank you for joining us.
Today, we're going to explore one of the trickiest topics in English, who versus whom.
Even native speakers get confused about this.
So if you find this difficult, you're not alone.
But we're going to make it simple and clear.
By the end of this episode, you'll understand the difference.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's be honest about something.
Whom is becoming less common in everyday English.
Many native speakers use who for everything.
But understanding whom helps you with formal writing and tests.
And it makes you sound more educated and sophisticated.
So it's worth learning.
Let's understand what these words do.
Both who and whom are pronouns for people.
They replace names or nouns about people.
Instead of saying John, we can say who or whom.
But which one to use?
That depends on the function in the sentence.
Who is the subject form.
Whom is the object form.
Let's break this down simply.
Let's start with who.
What is who?
Who is used when the person is doing the action, the subject.
The subject is the person who performs the action.
Think, who is doing something?
Who answers questions like, who did it, or who is that?
Simple test. If you can answer with he, she, or they, use who.
Examples.
Who is calling? Answer, he is calling. He equals subject, so use who.
Who ate the cake? Answer, she ate the cake. She equals subject, so use who.
Who are those people? Answer, they are my friends. They equals subject, so use who.
All subjects, all who.
More examples with who.
Who wants pizza? Who broke the window? Who lives here?
In these sentences, who is doing the action.
Who is the subject?
Now let's talk about whom.
What is whom?
Whom is used when the person is receiving the action, the object.
The object is the person the action is done to.
Think to whom, for whom, about whom.
Whom often comes after prepositions like to, for, with, about.
Simple test. If you can answer with him, her, or them, use whom.
Examples.
To whom did you give the book? Answer, I gave it to him. Him equals object, so use whom.
With whom are you going? Answer, I'm going with her. Her equals object, so use whom.
For whom is this gift? Answer, it's for them. Them equals object, so use whom.
All objects, all whom.
More examples with whom.
To whom should I address the letter? With whom did you speak? For whom are you waiting?
In these sentences, whom is receiving the action.
Whom is the object?
The simple trick.
This is the easiest way to decide.
Replace the person with he, him, she, her, or they, them.
If you use he, she, or they, use who.
If you use him, her, or them, use whom.
Let's test it.
Who did you call? Try replacing. Did you call he or did you call him?
Did you call him is correct, so use whom.
Whom did you call is correct.
Another test.
Who called you? Try he called you or him called you.
He called you is correct, so use who.
Who called you is correct.
This trick works every time.
Now let's compare them directly.
This is very important.
Who is she? Who equals subject. She is doing the being.
Whom did you see? Whom equals object. You saw her.
Who wants ice cream? Who equals subject. They want it.
To whom should I give this? Whom equals object. Give it to him.
See the pattern?
Who does the action? Whom receives the action?
Let's practice with a conversation.
Hi, I heard there's a new manager at work. Who is it?
It's someone from the other office. Who did you hear this from?
Wait, you mean from whom did you hear this? That's more formal.
True, in casual speech we'd say, who did you hear this from? But formally, from whom did you hear this?
Right. So, who got promoted?
Sarah got promoted. Whom do you think should have gotten it?
Honestly, in casual talk, I'd say, who do you think should have gotten it? But whom is grammatically correct here.
You're right. Who knows about grammar these days?
Well, we do. And to whom are we teaching this? Our listeners.
Exactly. Did you notice the differences?
Who is it? Who equals subject doing the being.
Who did you hear this from? Casual. Formally should be, from whom did you hear this?
From whom did you hear this? Formal. Whom after preposition from.
Who got promoted?
Whom do you think should have gotten it?
Who knows?
To whom are we teaching?
Both forms used.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Mistake 1. Using whom when you should use who.
Wrong. Whom is calling. Correct. Who is calling. The caller is the subject.
Test it. Him is calling or he is calling. He is calling. Use who.
Mistake 2. Using who in formal writing after prepositions.
Casual. Who are you going with? Formal. With whom are you going?
In formal writing, use whom after prepositions.
Mistake 3. Overthinking in casual conversation.
In everyday speech, who is usually fine.
Don't stress about whom when chatting with friends.
Mistake 4. Forgetting that whom is the object.
If someone is receiving the action, use whom.
Think, is this person being acted upon? If yes, whom?
Understanding when whom is really necessary. In casual conversation, who is almost always okay. Who did you see is fine in casual speech.
In formal writing, use whom correctly.
Whom did you see is better in formal contexts.
After prepositions, whom is strongly preferred.
To whom, with whom, for whom, use whom.
In questions about objects, whom is technically correct.
Whom did you invite is grammatically correct.
But remember, language is changing.
More examples in different contexts.
Formal email, to whom it may concern. Very formal opening.
Job interview. For whom would I be working? Professional.
Essay writing, the author about whom I wrote is famous. Academic.
Casual chat. Who did you go with? Everyday speech. Different contexts need different levels of formality. Understanding whoever versus whomever.
Whoever is subject form, like who.
Whomever is object form, like whom.
Give this to whoever wants it. Whoever is subject of wants.
Give this to whomever you choose. Whomever is object of choose.
Same rule applies.
The position in the sentence.
At the beginning of a question, check if it's subject or object.
Who called? Subject. Whom did you call? Object.
After a preposition, usually whom.
To whom, with whom, for whom, about whom.
In the middle of a sentence, use the he, him test.
The person who or whom I saw was tall. Test, I saw him, use whom.
But honestly, who I saw is acceptable in casual speech.
Your challenge for this week.
Day 1, write 5 questions using who as the subject.
Day 2, write 5 questions using whom as the object.
Day 3, practice the he, him test with different sentences.
Day 4, notice how native speakers use these words in movies.
Day 5, write 1 formal email starting with to whom it may concern.
Day 6, practice saying with whom, to whom, for whom.
Day 7, don't stress. Remember, who is usually fine in casual speech.
By week's end, you'll be confident.
More practice to build mastery.
Converting between casual and formal.
Casual, who are you talking to? Formal, to whom are you speaking?
Casual, who did you get this from? Formal, from whom did you receive this?
Casual, who should I ask? Formal, whom should I ask? Both actually work here.
Understanding relative clauses.
The person who called is here. Who is subject of called.
The person whom I called is here. Whom is object of I called.
The woman who lives next door is nice. Who is subject.
The woman whom you met is my sister. Whom is object of you met.
In relative clauses, the rule is the same.
But in casual English, many people use who for both.
The person who I called is very common in casual speech.
Technically, whom, but who is accepted.
Real-world usage.
In speaking, most people use who for everything.
In writing, whom shows you know formal grammar.
In tests, use whom correctly to get points.
In emails, to whom it may concern is standard.
Understanding the trend.
Whom is disappearing from casual English.
In 50 years, whom might only exist in very formal writing.
But for now, it's still important for formal situations.
Learn it, understand it, but don't stress about it in casual conversation.
Quick decision guide.
Question 1. Is this casual speech or formal writing?
Casual, who is fine. Formal, use whom if it's the object.
Question 2. Is there a preposition? To, with, for, from, about.
If yes, use whom. To whom, with whom, for whom, etc.
Question 3. Use the he, him test.
Answer with he, she, they to who. Answer with him, her, them to whom.
These 3 questions solve everything.
Memory tricks.
Whom ends in M. Think him, her, them. All have M.
Who has no M. Think he, she, they, no M.
Both whom and him end in M.
Both who and he have no M.
Connect the M's.
More examples to build complete confidence.
In different sentence structures.
Simple questions. Who are you? Subject. Whom do you love? Object.
Embedded questions. I wonder who called. Who is subject of called? I wonder whom you called. Whom is object of you called?
Indirect questions. Tell me who did it. Who is subject. Tell me whom you told. Whom is object.
Understanding in statements.
He is the one who helped me. Who is subject of helped.
He is the one whom I helped. Whom is object of I helped.
The teacher who teaches us is great. Who is subject.
The teacher whom we respect is great. Whom is object.
Same pattern everywhere.
Common phrases to memorize.
To whom it may concern. Formal letter opening.
For whom the bell tolls. Famous phrase.
With whom do you agree? Formal question.
Whom do you trust? Formal question. Object of trust.
Who do you trust? Casual, also acceptable.
Both versions work in different contexts.
Understanding why native speakers mix them up.
The rules are changing. Whom sounds very formal to modern ears.
Many educated native speakers avoid whom in speech.
They say, who did you see, instead of whom did you see.
Both are understood, one is just more casual.
In writing, especially professional writing, whom still matters.
Resumes, cover letters, academic papers, use whom correctly.
In texts and casual emails, who is fine.
Know your audience.
More practice with the he, him test.
Blank, should I invite? Test, should I invite he or should I invite him?
Should I invite him works. So, should I invite whom? But casually, who should I invite is common.
Blank is coming to dinner. Test, he is coming or him is coming.
He is coming works. So, who is coming to dinner?
Blank, did they choose? Test, they chose he or they chose him.
They chose him works. So, whom did they choose?
The test never fails.
Understanding object pronouns.
Object pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, us, them.
Subject pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, they.
Whom goes with object pronouns.
Who goes with subject pronouns.
This is the grammar pattern.
Special cases to know.
After than or as, use who, usually.
She is taller than who, informal. She is taller than whom, very formal and rare.
Most people say she is taller than who, even though it's technically informal.
Language is about communication first, rules second.
In professional situations.
Job applications. To whom should I address my cover letter?
Formal presentations. With whom did you conduct the research?
Academic writing. The scientist about whom I wrote won the Nobel Prize.
Business emails. To whom may I direct your inquiry?
These contexts need whom.
Building confidence. The truth about whom?
Truth 1. Most native speakers struggle with this too.
Truth 2. In casual speech, using who for everything is normal and accepted.
Truth 3. In formal writing, whom shows you understand advanced grammar.
Truth 4. If you're unsure, who is safer in conversation?
Truth 5. Understanding the rule is more important than always using it perfectly.
You're doing great by learning this.
Quick review. Who is subject form, doing the action.
Whom is object form, receiving the action.
Test. He, she, they use who.
Test. Him, her, them use whom.
After prepositions, use whom.
In casual speech, who is usually acceptable.
In formal writing, use whom correctly.
The language is changing. Whom is less common.
But knowing it shows education and sophistication.
Don't stress in casual conversation.
Do use it correctly in formal writing and tests.
You now understand both clearly.
This is advanced grammar. Be proud of learning it.
Even if you just use who in conversation, you understand the difference.
That understanding makes you a better English speaker.
If you enjoyed this episode, thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more clear lessons.
Leave a comment. Who is your favorite English teacher? Subject.
Or, to whom are you grateful? Object after preposition.
We love seeing you practice.
Keep learning, keep practicing, keep building confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.